Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back. We have started a new topic, static electricity, and these are the objectives that we need to cover in this topic from our syllabus. So, a re simoleng hela ka go demonstrate gore tota static electricity kana electrostatic go be go buiwa ka eng. Well guys, yeah, ra go lebella yone simulation yone from Feth, okay? Ya no ra bona ha rena le JC ke JC mo ke balloon mo. This one is the wall. This is just a wall. Ya no gongwe re tlhalosa gore static electricity dot re study sa di charge tse di sa moving. I get ma ke supe di charge then. Ke tse di charge sengwe le sengwe tota se exista se na le positive and negative. So mo atom ra itse gore atom hela in its natural state hela e na le the same number of positives and negatives. The positive ke ingana ke di proton di nna kae inside the nucleus be re na le electron tse ileng gore di dikologa yone nucleus ya. So the number of protons and number of electrons in an atom, they are equal. So gore dilo hela mo latsing di exista ile gore positive and negative charges are equivalent ya lekana. Ya no static electricity kana ya ka buile ra go study sa di charges tse di sa moving. Ke tsa gore ke dumela gore wa itsela gore kwa lapeng kana go mokeletsela how is go bone go connectile mo tlakase ka letsela kana ka plastic go nna go irisiwa eng a wire is a what? Is a metal. So ga re buika ka tsone mo static han I get ha re ta supang ting di charge je sa movie per se I get so ya no static thought ga be go buiwa ka di charge tse di sa moving and di charge di movie di le mo goeng di le mo tsone yo tse di tshwanang di JC di plastic hela ya ka gore they are not conductors of electricity. Ga se di conductor tsa electricity I get ya no mengala se sengwe se se botlhokwa ke go re itse gore the number of electrons and protons are always equivalent unless go na le sengwe se se iragetseng gore di tswe tse dingwe di tswe meng gape be re wa re batla go emphasize gore you cannot tamper with the nucleus. Ha o kgone go ntsha di proton ya mo nucleus go mo e leng gore ntshitse mo gone be go sala go ntse go ntse ya so go ra re hana the only thing that you can move is the what? Is the electron. Ke yone le gore responsible for current flow I get so ya nke kopara re ntse re supa yalo be re ntse re itse gore go iragala ya no re ta supa re tsa this balloon re tsanga be re gothisa mo jesing I get go gothisa kana that is rubbing re be re bona gore go ta iragala wa bona gore go ha go tle show all charges. We can actually choose to show no charges kana be re show the charge difference. Gona charge difference a gona charge difference mo jesi di charge ja lekana le ha di charge ja lekana le ha di charge ja lekana I get I show all charges. I show all charges. This is what we see. I want to lay in this wall. This wall ki a conductor actually. Yeah, ki conductor. So ari yang rago tsa go morago raba go ha like ka friction kana just rubbing I get e re go tha balloon mo jesi e re bona go ta iragala ke rona ba o retse bona re go iragetse bona re go iragetse show charge differences bon wa so ke gone re nna re a re ka tana re mo gongwe go positive mo gongwe go negative ra be re ra charge difference. Let me show all charges wa ile thoko gore di charge tse di mo ballooneng tse di positive tse di ntse di hane di le teng ga ja move ga ja move yana. Let me start afresh ke research balloon tse 2 ke ta research balloon tse 2 kitse ke taba gore nne ha be ke ro level wa bona re di ka kana gore go ha di positive di 4 di negative di kae di 4 be ke tsamaya ke aka a bona re ke relay it's there some negatives nyama ke semolle gape a to tsa go le gontsi ke a go thisa be ke buisa be ke ba but still it's still attractive ma ke hold ya wa bona re go ira gala yena e gaine di electron e tala balloon e tala e ke tsara ka emergency bona re di electron ja shorta wa bona re ja short are super in charge difference ela thoko gore di charge ka ha di kae di tharo gore re ina le access ya di negative access ra gore na le di negative tse dintsi ke difference ina le tse dintsi re ka di super tsote bona gore di kae go na le di positive ke tsona le di negative mare tse ja balance so they cancel out very super only the difference yena yone je since yang is shorter ka di electron the positive charges they don't move so re create charge mo JC ka go re tsetseng di electron re di se kae di tsero ke balloon o ra re a yana nna ke na le di charge tse tharo tse di hitileng tse di negative so ina le access ya negatives. That's why the balloon is yang negatively charged ye ntse yang JC positively charged me a gore ga ina di negative nya ina le tsone me go gontsi di positive ka gore di negative di dula ha kwa khona gore nenyane JC gain di proton kana di positive charge because we know that they don't move. That's one thing that we need to understand. My ke super diligence gape yana ke a go charge by rubbing. This is rubbing, charging by rubbing. Bon ke tsere tsote be ke itsisa yana level di charge more the yellow balloon yintsang they are in pairs so haina la ile mathata balloon so they cancel out nna ka re charge what charge difference bon the wall difference is 0. That's why re sa super set so ha re sa super di charge more an object to skwa kanya go ra radio nya di teng they balance they cancel out say kana why this charge difference because ga ise na di negative gone means di mo di teng but re supile tse ileng gore ga di na di negative ke di positive ya tse ke re nyana ke emetse gore negative ite kwana ite go cancela positive e be ke nna neutral ke re mo go neutral so go exist go ntseng go le neutral ya no re supeng gape di charge ra bona ke yana yena yona ta re bua ka yone are tsena go ninyane so that's it guys are re go bua ya no re supa gore go iragala ya well re gwaneha re ano ra go bua ka yone electrostatic charging. We are charging by friction gone mo ne re go tha nenyane balloon mo JC that's rubbing. So before gora ra go supa the charge difference ha go ntse ana gora gore go ntsang both of them they are neutral. Both of them they are neutral. Then we are rubbing here. We are rubbing. Then after rubbing, what is going to happen after rubbing? Gongwe statement se gore nka draw your attention to is positive charges do not move in solids, they only move in liquids. More solution. So moji soliding positive charges don't move. Ka gore inside the nucleus. So after rubbing, this is what we are going to have. This is what we mean. The rod will be positively charged. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the cloth gains 6 electrons, and the rod loses 6 electrons. Electrons kana ke tsone negative, electron ke tsone negative charge. So during rubbing, the cloth gained 6 electrons. Therefore, it has excess. 6 more. 6 more. 6 more what? Electrons. While the rod has 6 positive charges. Then the electron. Why? Because it lost electrons. It is always electrons moving. So it is always what? Electrons moving. Positive charges do not move. So the atoms contain electrically charged particles, being proton positive and electrons negative. Normally an object is electrically neutral since it has an equal number of positive and negative charges. The force of friction between two objects can cause electrons to be transferred from one object to another. Cause what? Electrons. Guys, ke kopa ro underline statement this sa positive movie. So I've seen many students losing marks because of ignoring this. One object will gain extra electrons and become negatively charged, and another one will become positively, since it would have lost some electrons and remained with excess positive charges. So explanation here. When the plastic rod is rubbed, electrons from the rod are transferred to the cloth, making the cloth negatively charged, and the plastic rod will be positively charged because there will be a deficit of electrons. So electrostatic charging. Now go material the electron more the cloth, then the cloth becomes positively charged. When I allow tabo bua gore go iragetseng a sore batla go botsa gore ha re raba mo ke go imo go nna positive ke go imo go nna negative. Ha sentse ba buile gore mo go negative tsontse re itse gore mo positive o bo khona go itse gore electron, it's either the electron gets a mo that object kana je gorogile je donate. It's never positive charges. Remember that. The law of electrostatic charges. Simulation guys, simulation. Show no charges. It's charge difference is 0. Charge. So both of these are neutral: the wall, the balloon, and the jersey. So super all charges. Very charger by rubbing friction. So level or balloon this is negatively charged. But not negative G. What one of the negative G? Haratisa balloon G. See, I get Mearbem balloon arona. Canarigi rempe di what is attracting this balloon? Yes and attracted. It's because this one is positively charged. The yes is positively charged, while the yellow balloon is negatively charged. So different charges, they attract. Unlike charges attract. Okay. While like charges repel. Bona I get balloon will or negatively charged. Bona ra re itisa ka go sia. Gape wa le thoko. Inenyane. Di positive ya ke ja move. La ka tsisa positively charged. Ke ke ja move tsona ke ra go kgona go move. Bona ha ke eng move mo this wall. Probably it's a what? It's a conduct. I get because you cannot remove a larsa command. Ha catch the rabbin, since or only contact. I get may have one or even before we touch. Yeah, see, I get see. So I read one or hating the law of electrostatic charges. So experiment here, law of electrostatic experiment here, unlike charges. Again, like charges repel and unlike charges attract. So this is positively charged. Positively charged. How positively charged or are super positive. More it's negatively charged. Negatively charged. So I read about those super charges like me a gore gore di tshwantse go lekana ke ra a so di electrons di dule ka ke ta dira la intelligence so these are different level. This thing has been hang again it is moving towards the negatively charged polythene strip again. So observation ke gore go nna leng attraction because they are unlike charges. I want to experiment 2 with like charges, positively charged glass. Positive. Hana go kwadile go te negatively mirror like charges. I get what are the sensor resuited this. Rering sensor in positively charged polythene strip, positively charged polythene, right? So ra go supa positive charge because rare like charges I get so bona go iragala this glass because I carry ile peletse mo nnyane go iriswa rod so it is moving upwards I get. So go supa gore ya repel. So ke they repel. Observation ke gore go na le repulsion. So ke gona re ka reng like charges repel, unlike charges attract. I get. So that's the law of electrostatic charges. So go ra re a re helleng gone ha re ta tswalela re lebella induced charges more our next lesson. Thank you guys. See you on the next lesson.